What's up, guys? Come back to the channel. As you see, we're working on this corner right here. We got this door hung. Still need work done to it, but we got it hung. So now we're working on this side. Got some of it out. We'll see. Look what we're doing here. Forward flex. Yeah, forward flex. Hope I don't mess up my bumper reinforcement doing this, but that's what we're doing. We are trying to pull a dent out of this corner. Gotta pull a little closer. Okay. Alright. Gonna hook this thing up. Yeah. Thing out of here. Okay. Stay there. We're gonna pull this thing with the forward flex here. Release. Okay. It's released. Let's stop. Well, I ain't got much to do here. Let's see. See what we got. Alright, guys. We almost got it now. Yeah. It's almost straight again. Yeah, all that. Look at that. All that. Back out. Yeah. Let's see. Take this hammer. Let's see. and it's outside. It actually worked, guys. Now, just gotta get that little dent right here. Gotta get that out. Get that back straight. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Gotta try to pull that out. Matter of fact, let me just put that light in. Push it in. Push it out. Okay. Now, where's the hammer? Get the hammer. Let's put some beating on it. Let's put some beating on it. Alright. I say we 90%. We almost got it. Almost got it. That's pretty good, though, I'm telling you. That's pretty good. Yeah. I call that success. I do. I call that success. Even though we got a little bit more work to do. But as you can see, it's a lot straighter than it was before. And on that side, it's not sticking out anymore. Yeah. Back's straight up and down now. I call that a success. I do. I'm happy with it. Don't want to cut my hands. Thing is short. I guess I don't need to rubber that. As of right now, I need the rubber straightening. This thing right here. Oh, this is good. This is good. Was gonna tie this up to the tree. Somehow I couldn't bag this trailer into that spot. Couldn't bag it into the spot where right here I couldn't bag it in there. Next to the big boy Excursion diesel 6.0. I'm gonna have some videos of this soon. Not much, me driving it, of course, but changed the head gasket in this thing. And when I changed the head gasket, somehow I got a leak. Well, I think the water pump or something need to be changed now. I don't know. Hopefully, I got them heads sitted correctly. If I don't, got to do that all over again. Talk about that another time. Another time. Dumpster. That's the dumpster. AKA Big Boy. No, AKA Dumpster. The name is Dumpster. Not Big Boy. Stupid. Okay. But yeah. It's coming along beautifully. Solid. Got a solid wood door on here now. Solid. So, got that one door on. Use the same aluminum. I think this is aluminum. That's aluminum. Yeah, same aluminum back sheet. Had to hammer it out. See all them dents? Yeah. Gotta find some more of these screws because a lot of them are rusted out over here. See these things rusted. Gotta cut that one off. So yeah, we getting it. I'm gonna come back where I should have the other door on, and yeah, then I can go pick up my stuff from the storage and put it in here. That's all I got for you guys on this one. That's gonna be the end of the video. So we'll see you in the next one when we're again back in the yard. The yard. Peace. Oh, I forgot. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye now.